Hi guys and welcome. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter Loom Knitting channel. It is that time of month again for our Yarnable subscription. So I just wanted to jump on and do a quick little video here to show you this month's yarn. This month's yarn is named Wild Current. Isn't that pretty? All the browns and greens and purples. It's really pretty. This is on their plush sock base, which is 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon, 437 yards or 100 grams. I do the no frills subscription, which means I just get the yarn. I think I pay with shipping, like, it's right around $30 a month. Really love this color. Very, very pretty. I still have Octobers that I have to wind up and get on the loom as well. But I wanted to jump on, show you this quick little video. I did not mention that Yarnable is a subscription by Hypnotic Yarn. They don't always have openings, so if you're interested in their subscription, you can join the wait list. Another subscription service that I love is the one by Lori from Arkansas Yarn Company. I'm not sure if they have any openings currently, but you could always check them out too. It's Lori of Arkansas Yarn Company, and their subscription service is Sock Yarn Society. And then again, this one is Yarnable by Hypnotic Yarn. Gorgeous. Can't wait to get this on the loom for a pair of socks. I would love to see how this knits up. Okay. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay cozy, stay happy, and may all your socks find their matches. Bye.